Question number 1. The term Blue Revolution is associated with the development of which sector in India? Correct answer is option B, fisheries. Question number 2. Which freedom fighter is known for the slogan Do or Die? Correct answer is option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 3. Which was the first Indian language to be recognized as a classical language by the Government of India? Correct answer is option B, Tamil. Question number 4. The famous Chipko movement originated in which Indian state? Correct answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Question number 5. The Harappan civilization was primarily known for which of the following achievements? Correct answer is option B, well-planned cities. Question number 6. Lowell is famous for which architectural structure? Correct answer is option B, Dard. Question number 7. Who was the first woman to become the Chief Minister of an Indian state? Correct answer is option C, Sucheta Kirapalani. Question number 8. The Indian state of Nagaland was created in which year? Correct answer is option B, in 1963. Question number 9. The Hindustan Socialist Republican Association was founded in which year? Correct answer is option B, in 1928. Question number 10. Who was the first Indian woman to preside over a session of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option C, Sarojini Naidu. Question number 11. Which pigment is responsible for the green color in plants? Correct answer is option A, chlorophyll. Question number 12. Who is the only Indian woman to win the Nobel Prize? Correct answer is option C, Mother Teresa. Question number 13. Which part of the human body is responsible for maintaining balance? Correct answer is option B, ears. Question number 14. Which country constitution is considered an unwritten constitution? Correct answer is option D, United Kingdom. Question number 15. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to the equality? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 16. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the protection of the rights of minorities? Correct answer is option A, Article 29. Question number 17. In which part of the Indian Constitution are the fundamental rights mentioned? Correct answer is option B, Part 3. Question number 8. In which article of the Indian Constitution establishes untouchability? Correct answer is option C, Article 17. Question number 19. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option C, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Question number 20. The Bhakti movement was first started by which saint in South India? Correct answer is option A, Ramanjua. Question number 21. Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice located? Correct answer is option B, The Hague, Netherlands. Question number 22. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? Correct answer is option A, Switzerland. Question number 23. What is the largest freshwater lake in the world by volume? Correct answer is option C, Lake Baikal. Question number 24. Which European city is known as the City of Canals? Correct answer is option A, Venice. Question number 25. The Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in which city? Correct answer is option A, Oslo. Question number 26. Which country is known as the lands of 1,000 lakes? Correct answer is option B, Finland. Question number 27. The Great Wall of China was primarily built to protect against invasion by which group? Correct answer is option A, Mongols. Question number 28. Which city hosted the first modern Olympic Games in 1896? Correct answer is option C, Athens. Question number 29. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? Correct answer is option B, Iceland. Question number 30. Which country is home to the world's largest population of wild tigers? Correct answer is option B, India. Question number 31. Which Indian city was recently included in the UNESCO Creative Cities Network for its rich musical heritage? Correct answer is option C, Chennai. Question number 32. Which Indian state was the first to implement the Right to Public Service Act? Correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 33. Which country is India's largest trading partner in terms of exports? Correct answer is option A, United States. Question number 34. The Green Revolution in India is primarily associated with which agricultural product? Correct answer is option B, wheat. Question number 35. Which country is India's largest sources of foreign direct investment, FDI? Correct answer is option C, Singapore. Question number 36. What is the term used to describe the difference between a country's exports and imports? Correct answer is option D, trade balance. Question number 37. Which organization was established to promote peace and security globally? Correct answer is option B, United Nations. Question number 38. Which organization is responsible for the global coordination of health emergencies? Correct answer is option B, World Health Organization. Question number 39. Which organization is focused on providing humanitarian assistance in disaster situations? Correct answer is option C, International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC. Question number 40. Which organization is the main body for setting international labor standards? Correct answer is option A, International Labour Organization.